Man, I can't believe I have to do a spelling test in Miss Backpack's classroom. And I didn't go over my spelling words because I was too busy playing video games on my PS5. And I'm going to get an F over not going over my spelling words, because I am so bad at spelling. So I wonder how I can avoid taking a spelling test. I have an idea. I'm going to pull the fire alarm so I can avoid the spelling test from Ms. Backpack's classroom. Ha 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 ha.
What do you think you were doing?
Nothing S6 Dora. I was just about to clean the fire alarm because it was dusty.
Liar, you weren't about to clean the fire alarm because I don't see any dust. Now, what were you about to do with the fire alarm? You better tell me the truth right now.
Okay. You caught me. I was about to pull the fire alarm so I could avoid taking a spelling test from Ms. Backpack's classroom.
What? Oh my god. Nano, don't you realize that pulling the fire alarm is against the law?
No, and please don't report this to the principal. If he finds out what I was trying to do, he will suspend me for a long time and my parents will ground me big time.
I'm sorry, Nano, but I have to. This is what happens when you try to pull the fire alarm. Now come with me to the principal's office so he can suspend you.
You will have to catch me first.
Hey, come back here, Nano. You are not going anywhere at all.
Phew, I think I lost her. Now she won't be able to find me and take me to the principal's office. Oh no, you found me.
Oh, I sure did. Now you are coming to the principal's office with me.
Hey, let go of my arm.
No, you are coming to the principal's office with me and that is final.
Oh, hi S6 Dora. What brings you here in my office along with Nano?
Well, you see, Principal Pico, you are not going to be so happy when I tell you this. But, Nano attempted to pull the fire alarm so that way he can avoid taking a spelling test, but I stopped him in time.
What? Oh my god. Thanks for telling me that, Nano. I am so going to have a word with Nano right now. You can go back to your classroom now.
Thank you, Principal Pico.
Anytime S6 Dora. Nano, you don't ever pull the fire alarm when there is no fire because it's against the law. And you know that pulling the fire alarm is only done when there is a real fire. I'm sorry, Principal Pico. It's just that I hate doing spelling tests because I'm really bad at spelling. It doesn't matter, and because of what you were trying to do, you are suspended for a week. And I am calling your mom about this. No, wait, Principal Pico, please don't call my mom about this. If she finds out I attempted to pull the fire alarm, I will be in huge trouble. I'm sorry, Nano, but I have to. Because if I don't call your mom about what you did, I will get fired. Now go home right now. After school ended.
Oh my goodness, S6 Dora, you did a fantastic job stopping Nano from pulling the fire alarm. Because pulling the fire alarm when there is no fire is illegal and you can get arrested for doing that. We are very proud of you.
And for this, you are ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want.
Aw, thank you G&G's girlfriend. I love you.
We love you too.
Meanwhile with Nano.
Oh my god. Nano, we are very mad at you. How dare you try to pull the fire alarm? You know that pulling the fire alarm when there is no fire is illegal and you can go to jail for that.
But Mom, Dad, and Nina,
No, we don't want to hear any of your excuses. And because of your attempting to pull the fire alarm, you are grounded for 24 days.
Now go upstairs to your room right now.